how to put ads on YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable ads on your YouTube videos. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So first, in order to put ads on your YouTube videos, your channel need to be monetized. And in order to monetize your YouTube channel, you should have more than 4,000 watch hours on your YouTube channel in the last 12 months. And you should have more than 1,000 subscribers. And you should not have any active community guideline strikes on your channel as well. So once you have met this criteria, then you can apply for a YouTube partner program. And then you can agree to their terms. And then you can create and connect a Google AdSense account to your YouTube channel. And then YouTube will review your channel. And if you have done everything right, then you will be approved to join YouTube partner program. By the way, I have made a 14 minutes longer video about how to get monetized on YouTube. I have explained step-by-step process to get monetized on YouTube. And if you want to watch that video, I will link that in the description. You can watch there. That's a very important video. I have shown all these important steps for YouTube monetization. So definitely go watch there. So once your channel is monetized, now you can put ads on your YouTube videos. So first, what are you gonna do? Open up any browser on your smartphone, PC and tablet, and then go over to youtube.com. And you must be signed in to your YouTube account. Once you're signed in to your YouTube account, click on your channel icon at the top right. And then click on YouTube Studio. Now you will be in your channel dashboard. And here in the left side in this section, click on this video icon content. And here you can see my channel is already monetized and I have already put ads on each and every video. By the way, in these two videos, I have not turned on monetization and put ads. So now I'm gonna show you how you can turn on monetization and put ads on your videos. As you can see, this video is 13 minutes longer and this one is 4 minutes longer. And according to YouTube, videos which are over 8 minutes longer, you can put more ads on your videos and thereby you can make more money in those longer videos. So here I'm gonna show you separately how you can put ads on your longer videos as well as in your shorter videos. So first, let's go for shorter videos. So here you can see this video is less than 8 minutes. Actually, it is 4 minutes. And to put ads on this video, just tap on this video title. And here you can see this dollar icon, monetization. Click on here. And here you can see ads of this video are not enabled. So to enable these ads, first you have to turn on monetization of this video. And here you can turn on monetization of this video. So click on here and turn it on and then click on next. Now make sure your video is advertiser friendly and follow its guidelines and YouTube monetization policy. And if your video is not advertiser friendly and do not follow YouTube monetization policy, then monetization of that video might be limited or maybe YouTube demonetize that video. So bear that in mind. Now here scroll down all the way to the end and click on none of the above and then click on submit. And here it is. As you can see, monetization of this video has been turned on. And now here you can put ads on this video. So here you can see past display ad, which is by default always enabled for your YouTube videos and you cannot disable it. By the way, you can turn on overlay ads, sponsor card ads, skippable video ads and non-skippable video ads. And here I recommend you guys to enable all these ads so that you can make more money on your videos. And if you scroll down here below, you can see only videos longer than 8 minutes are eligible for ads during video. So guys, as it is a shorter video less than 8 minutes, I cannot put mid-roll ads in this video. And if you enable during video mid-roll ads in your video, then in that particular video, you can place multiple ads and you can make more money from that video. And I have a video which is over 8 minutes longer and I want to show you how you can put mid-roll ads in that video. So after selecting all these ads in your shorter videos, here click on save. Now let me show you how you can put ads in your longer videos so that you can make more money. So here after it gets saved, now let's go back. And here you can see monetization of this shorter video is now enabled and I can start making money from this video as I have put ads in this video. Now here you can see the longer video. So to put more ads in your longer videos, which is over 8 minutes long, click on that video title and then click on that dollar icon monetization. And then make sure you have turned on monetization of that video. So now click on here and turn this on and then click on next. Now make sure that your video is advertiser friendly and follow its guidelines, and then scroll down and select none of the above and then click on submit. Now here you can put ads on your videos. So first here enable overlay ads, sponsor cards, skippable video ads and non-skippable video ads, and then scroll down and here you can see you can enable mid-roll ads in your longer videos. So here I am putting during video mid-roll ads, and then I am also putting after video post-roll ads. And as I don't want my video to show up so many ads, I'm gonna turning up before video pre-roll ads. Now to put more ads during your video, here click on manage mid-rolls. And here you can see this is my video which is about 13 minutes long, and here you can select timestamps and then you can put ads in your video. So let's select a timestamp. After selecting your timestamp, click on add break, and here it is. I did put a ads manually here. Now you can put multiple ads in your longer videos. So again select any timestamps and then click on add break, and here we go, another ad. And again let me select a timestamp and let's click on add break, and here we go. I have put 3 mid-roll ads in my video, and now I'm not gonna put more of that. So after putting multiple mid-roll ads in your longer video, now here click on continue, and to save these settings click on save. Once it's saved, now let's go back, and here you can see monetization of this video has also been turned on, and I will be able to make more money from this video as I have put mid-roll ads in this video. So this is pretty much it is. This is how you can put ads on your YouTube videos. And if you found this video helpful, do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to enable payments on your Google AdSense for YouTube, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.